Yeah. Alright, so as you guys can see behind you, this is Vera's salon. Our series villain's wife has a couple of businesses, and the salon is one of them. And then Undumi, who lives in the house we just came from, she works here. And I think the important thing to highlight about the space is that the vibrancy of the place emphasizes how our characters love to look good. Like despite their troubles and their circumstances and their environment, like they are pretty, they are goodies, like looking good, looking put together is a priority to them, which I think is very true. Oh, thank you. It's very true to us, our cousins, our friends, like the girlies need to pop, and this is the place that they come to, to look good.
So we wanted to play with, as you can see, in most spaces, guys, salon in storage icon. Tavern icon. So how do you play with the aspects of creating a salon and make it feel slightly different? Give it that cutesy vibe, playing with the tones. So we decided to downplay on the paints because they're usually quite loud. Downplay it and then have an accent wall that is fun to look at. The space we also made it quite like a little bit big so that there's a lot of activity and moving around that can happen in the space, so it doesn't feel claustrophobic. You want to be able to have pockets of conversations, like when something's happening at the receptionist, something can be happening at that nail tech station, something can be happening there. You can literally feel that it's not like squeezed together.
Yeah.
And you're probably also wondering about the ceilings. So the idea of the ceilings was we wanted it to feel like we're on location. We didn't want you to feel like you're in studio, because in most cases, camera always tries to avoid looking up because you're going to catch the end of the set. Here we wanted you to feel a cornice, feel a bit of ceiling, so it tells your brain that no, I'm not in studio, it must be on location. So that's our cheat.
Wow.
So guys, this is the Domo Mansion. The characters that we switch on for our Busani, our Bobby, Malumi, Lebanzi. This is their homes, a family home, and I think the space speaks for itself. Like the family, Baz is greedy. They are coining it in. They live in Danefern. Like they were the first ones to grab money in their hands. Yeah, yeah. No, like they got out of it. Okay. Yeah. And this is where we tell like a lot of our big world institutional stake stories. However, we do also tell some very intense family stories in this space, and we're hoping that this space also becomes like a fifth character in the world. Yeah.
So then, this mansion, right? As you can see, the idea of this mansion was to not feel like you are on the set, And as you can see with our living room, the height of the room itself is quite high. We have the infinity curtains, so you almost feel like you're on some location. Your brain does not associate with in a set. We wanted to have the space be big enough and also allow it to have camera movement because there's so many people that live in this space. You want it to feel alive. I also want to, before I finish talking, take her to the blue room and then
So the deep split Blomos, we've got two sets of Blomos on the show. We've got Bobby, Busan, the four of us, our four siblings are in the other mansion. And then Ubaba Mnganwabo, Upapi, he is on this set with his family. He's here with his wife, Vera. And there are two children, Ukopano and Basi. And you can see with this house, like there's quite a big difference between the Tlapo house and this one. This house, guys, is a house owned by the business people of Elokshini, right? So you can imagine that a house like this would be in the Manu House section, the suburban Nyana section of Diepsloot. You can see that this is a family that's doing very, very well for themselves. The mom loves the finer things. She loves the details. She loves to be a kata rest. So this is probably the house in the township where the new styles, the new curtains, you know, babona ngaye. Yeah. You know, like she probably like really relishes hosting her round of Stokvel gatherings because she's gonna show them. Again, there is like an emphasis in our characters to look good and to be around beautiful things and beautiful spaces. And I think this space encapsulates that characteristic and character really well.
I think she said it all, guys.